Hello there, I'm Chef Johnny, and you have found Texas-style barbecue and cuisine. Appreciate you stopping by. Today I got a really neat dish for you. We're going to be doing sausage dogs, and we're going to cover them up with a sweet pepper jam that's packed full of Jach Daniels whiskey. So anyway, stick with us, and let's see how we make it. We've got these onions, they've been going for a while. I've got my onions, I've got red, yellow, and orange bell pepper in here. I've got one diced up jalapeno, and I've added salt, pepper, and a little bit of fresh garlic. Of course, waited for the garlic to the end. But just making this jam, and it's starting to get pretty soft. So I'm going to turn the heat down some more. I don't want this to cook too fast. Got that going pretty low. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in just a little bit of apple cider vinegar, just to add some moisture to it. Oh, maybe a tablespoon. Those are cooking nicely. You can tell these onions are getting real soft. And now on top of that, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now I got that heat going down low. We're trying to lower the heat on this. That's getting some more sweetness into this jam. Of course, it's got that heat from the jalapenos. I'm just getting this lower and lower on this heat. Go with a little more brown sugar. Stir that in. That's looking pretty. Now I'm going to go with my Jach Daniels. Be careful, you pour it right out of the bottle, it always can kind of flare up on you, and it could travel up that bottle. So anyways, I'm going to just take a glass. I've got about 1/3 of a cup of whiskey here, and if it flambés, I do have the fire real low. I don't think it will, but there's my Jach Daniels. It's in. Now these sweet peppers, that Jach Daniels and brown sugar is going to make a nice sweet jam for me. And I'm just going to let this keep cooking down. And I'm going to go see if I can get my sausages on the cooker. Got the Weber going. And I have it set up with a hot side and no fire on the other side, the way this is set up. Only doing 4 sausages here. And these are a nice Polish sausage. Not any of them that I made. These are actually what I sell on my barbecue trailer. They are Eddie's brand sausage. So if you're interested in it, I know y'all people that are in Texas that watch me can probably find this out of Yoakum, Texas. But it's called Eddie's. So I'm going to put these on the hot side. If I need to, I can move them over to the cool side. But probably 8 or 10 minutes. We're going to have these up to 155 degrees and we'll be ready to get them off. Let's check these. They've been on about 3 or 4 minutes now. Oh yeah, they're starting to brown up well. Get some grill marks on them. Got them turned over, so we're going to let them cook on the other side a little bit. Let's uncover these, see what they look like. Oh yeah. They're looking real good. I'm going to check temperature on them. I'm going to use my thermopin. These things are just wonderful. You're going to cook all the time. You need one. Oh yeah, they're done. Get them off. Now we're letting these cool. We're going to check on our sweet pepper jam, see how it's doing, but I bet you it's almost down because it's been cooking down the whole time we've been cooking these. Okay. I'll tell you, this sweet pepper jam is just looking pretty. It's nice and it's candied up well, so we're going to move it out of the way and we're going to start putting together these sausages. We're about ready to go here. I've got a nice toasted bun. Did that off the grill. Didn't show, or off the camera, didn't show you all that. But we're going to get our spicy mustard. This is just a boar heads. They're delicatessen style mustard right there. Take my knife and spread it around. And I tell you, there's not a whole lot going on in this dog. There's so much flavor in this this sweet pepper jam that you don't need a whole lot to go with it. So there it goes. Got a nice Polish sausage on there. Take my tongs. Drop some of my onion jam up on top. My sweet pepper jam. That is a pretty looking dog. That looks pretty. Let's see if we can make up another one to go with it. So here's another toasted bun. A little more of my mustard. Good spicy mustard. Again, the sausage is going on. Some of my peppers, my onions, and that sweet Jach Daniels sauce on there with it. These are going to be good. Now I know y'all always like to get to see a bite, so let's see. Which one do we want? I think I'm going to take this one that has more of the red color on it. See if we can get a bite of it. Close up. Let y'all see that sausage. It's a pretty one. I tell you, this I like these sausages. This Eddie's brand. It's a very good Polish sausage. Just you can go get it right out of your cooler case, and it cooks up really well. It's very, very tasty sausage. I enjoy it a lot. But putting it with all those sweet peppers, the spice from your mustard, the heat from your jalapeno, and of course you got that Jach Daniels and brown sugar sauce coming back through the back end of it. It is a tremendous sausage dog. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like it. Remember to tell your friends and family what you see here on Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Always appreciate you being here, and we're going to see you down the road.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.